All right, so what we're going to do on this test, test corrections, is I'm going to put a video, I'm going to work a problem for you. You can watch that video as many times as you can. This problem will be almost exactly like the one that's on the test, almost exactly like the one that was on the test review. So it'll give you the formula, it'll give you directions on how to do it, but it won't actually do the problem for you. So then immediately following that will be the question from the test again, so you can show that you can do it. All right, so Miguel's applying for a job as an accountant and will make $45,033 a year. If he gets the job, what will Miguel's weekly gross pay be if he gets the job? Okay, so all we're going to do, that's the yearly. So weekly equals yearly divided by how many weeks? Yearly, sorry, divided by 52. So the weekly in this case would be the 45,033 divided by 52. And all you're going to do is put that into a Desmos. 1,033 divided by 52. And we get $866.02. We're going to the nearest penny, so the next number is 5 or greater, so we round up to the next penny. $866.02. Okay, if you're in the room with me or if you're on a Zoom with me right now and you don't understand how to do this, you could stop and ask me before you go on in the quizzes. If not, do the best you can and then come to tutoring and I will help you with it. Let me figure out where to stop this video. There we go.